This is Abdullah Ayufu, a cotton farmer. He has been growing cotton in China's Xinjiang province since 1998. All the high-quality cotton that Abdullah produces is purchased by Esquel.
We learned the microfinancing project was going to be implemented in the village through Esquel's promotional activity. We also learned that applicants who wanted to obtain loans needed to submit applications. When Esquel visited our village, we submitted our application. The application was approved by Esquel. When they asked me how much I wanted to borrow, I told them I needed 10,000 renminbi. On February 21st, I received a loan of 10,000 renminbi. With the loan, I bought some planting machinery, including a plow and a sewing machine.
Esquel partnered with Standard Chartered Bank to introduce a microfinancing project to its cotton growers in Xinjiang. They aim to assist local cotton farmers in enhancing productivity, increasing income, and improving living standards. While Standard Chartered provided the financing expertise, Esquel provided the local relationships, knowledge, and contacts with farmers.
Besides the money, the loan we give to the farmer, we also we will give the farmers some trainings to support the project. If we don't have any training, the farmers will get a loan at the year beginning and then pay back the money at the year end, and they will need to get the loan again for the next year.
With the sewing machine, I can choose to sew at the best time, which helps improve my field and my income. If you invest well for cotton planting, the returns can be quite good.
In order to increase productivity, Esquel has built close relationships with cotton farmers in Xinjiang.
With some working capital in the planting season to allow them to buy better seeds, to buy fertilizers, to buy plastic cover for their fields and so on, they can increase their productivity and their yield.
Another problem faced by cotton farmers was the scarcity of water. Once again, Esquel stepped in to provide a solution. With the help of local governments, a drip irrigation system was introduced. Farmers received the materials and know-how to install the system. Water was delivered directly to the base of the cotton plants, reducing wastage.
First, in terms of conserving the water, drip irrigation, from our experience, based on these projects at this joint venture farm at Whitefield, can save about 30% of the water for the same output. And secondly, because you save water and the water goes directly really to the needed plant during its growth, the cotton plant, it also enhances the productivity and therefore the income to the farmers.
The availability and cost of water makes or breaks cotton production. While it protects the environment and saves valuable water resources, as a result of the new drip irrigation system, farmer incomes have increased by 30%. Esquel's commitment to the environment does not stop at the farm. Further along the value chain, measures are being put in place that are saving large amounts of water and energy.
We started a 3-year plan to reduce energy consumption by 30%. This 3-year program will be completed at the end of 2008.
In its factories, Esquel used over 100,000 conventional light bulbs. These were all replaced with high-energy efficient lighting, and advanced reflectors were added. 8 million kilowatt-hours per year was saved. By the end of 2007, there was 19% energy saving for the whole factory. Esquel's goal is to save another 10% by the end of 2008. The fabric production process, with weaving, dyeing and finishing, uses large amounts of water.
We consume a lot of water, about 24,000 tons per day. We have one of the largest wastewater treatment plant in the industry. We have the treatment capacity 32,000 tons per day. This is the water before and after treatment. Previously, many people just discharge their wastewater without any treatment. But in the Esquel, we never did that and won't never do that. We treat every drop of the wastewater after it meets the national and the local standard to such purity, and then we discharge it.
Partnering with stakeholders, including local governments, customers and suppliers, Esquel is championing many more initiatives to protect the environment. But as Esquel itself recognizes, there is still a lot more to be done.